Guys, for today's video, I am happy to share this video to you guys. Kasi madadagdagan na naman ng isang Buy Now Pay Later service itong listahan natin ng mga nag-o-offer ng 0%. Yes, you heard it correctly. Meron na naman panibagong Buy Now Pay Later service na nag-o-offer ng 0% interest. And up to 40 days siya. So sino ba siya? Well, siya si Love It. Love It by Junahan.
Junahan? Sino yung Junahan na yan?
Well, it's for us to find out. So, samahan niyo ako kung ano ba ang meron dito kay Love It na to. How does it compare with the existing Buy Now Pay Later apps? Samahan niyo ako. Pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance, meron akong experience or meron na ako knowledge na ginawa ko na ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, so thank you dito sa isang viewer natin na nagsabi na, Sir, pa-review naman po netong Love It. Salamat sa kanya, talagang sinilip ko to kung ano tong Love It na to and I found out bagong entry lang din siya sa Buy Now Pay Later service. And magugulat kayo. Sino ba to si Junahan na to? So, simulan na natin. But disclaimer guys, as of this day of filming, pending pa po ang application ko sa kanila. So, lahat ng sasabihin ko po dito ay nakabase po sa information na makikita sa kanilang app and sa kanilang app page. Nung unang kita ko, kala ko one hand. Nung binasa ko ng maigi, nakalagay pala dito ay Junahan. Ang nagmamay-ari nito ay si WeFund Lending. Si WeFund Lending ay the same company na naghahawak kay One Hand. Ibig sabihin nito, iisang kumpanya lang po sila, different product line lang po itong Love It na to by Junahan.
Hindi alam bakit kailangan pa nilang baguhin na Junahan, pwede namang One Hand na lang. Hindi gusto nila pala yung brand na Junahan kasi mas kilala talaga is One Hand.
A few moments later.
Makikita itong Love It na to, ito yung One Hand na to.
So saan ba makikita tong application na to? Well, available tong Love It application na to via Apple App Store and Google Play Store. So you may want to head over doon to download it and process your application. But before doing so, ano bang features ang makikita natin dito? Okay, so ito po yung nakalagay sa about page nila kasi wala po silang website currently. So sabi dito, Love It, Shop, Smart, Pay Later. As young professional, you deserve to explore life's moment without burden. Love It card gives you the freedom to shop and pay later in 3 to 6 months. No hassle, no hidden fees. Ito na yung features nila. Buy now, pay later, 0% interest up to 40 days. After monthly bill incurred, you can choose to split purchases into monthly installment with applied interest. Flexible terms, 3 or 6 months to pay. Up to 200,000 daw yung spending limit na pwedeng mabigay or credit limit. Instant approval, skip tedious traditional bank process, apply entirely via app with approval as fast as 90 seconds. But in my case, hindi ko po na-experience. So, but I'm going to share experience sa inyo dito later on. So, how does it work? Shop, buy anything online with partner merchants with MasterCard, Pay Later, so on and so forth. Yeah. So, sino daw ang pwede mag-join? Or the requirements? You need to be a Filipino, 18 to 60 years of age. You have a valid ID, valid government ID. And then, ito po yung list ng government IDs na pwede nyong gamitin. So, basically, yan lang po. Pero guys, if you are expecting physical card, hindi po siya available right now. Hindi po sila nagbibigay ng physical card. More on pang online purchases lang po itong Love It card na to. So, is this a credit card? Well, hindi po. Like Atome is not a credit card. It is a debit card. And like so, Love It is also a debit card preloaded with funds. And also, di ba si Salmon ganun din naman. Hindi rin naman siya credit card. Preloaded din yung debit card na binibigay kay Salmon. So, ganun din naman itong Love It card na to. Ang pinagkaibahan nga lang nila is walang physical card si Love It card right now. Okay, so kung gusto nyo mag-apply, well, ito po, try natin mag-apply. So basically, download nyo po siya sa Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you download it, ito po yung lalabas. You can click sign up. When you click sign up, mag-a-ask po yan sa inyo ng number nyo. And then, just enter the number. Manghihingi po yan ng OTP. Enter the OTP and then set up your password. Just take note na number po yung password nila. Medyo hindi pa po ganun kataas ang security ng password nila kasi only numeric numbers yung pwede nyong iset dito. So yan, kapag nakapag-login na kayo, just click apply today. After clicking apply today, you have to check the membership agreement. So check nyo po yan and then next. Then magpo-provide na po kayo ng ID nyo. And then again, ito po yung list ng IDs na pwede nyong gamitin. After providing so, pipicturean nyo na po yung ID front and back. And then mag-auto-populate na to. And yung missing information, kailangan nyo na lang pong fill out. Next page is to fill out your personal information. Next is character reference. You just only need one character reference. In this case, ako nilagay ko yung wife ko. And lastly, work information. Kung paano kayo kumikita, saan yung, saan yung trabaho nyo, etc. etc. Guys, ako po, dahil freelance po ako, so I entered here as a freelance, self-employed. After doing so, face verification na po, and then, yan, magsasubmit na po siya. Tapos, ito po, card under review. Your information has been submitted. The result is expected within 3 days. Please be patient. Tas home. Yeah, basically, hindi ko po na-experience na 90 seconds. So, kung totoo ba yung 90 seconds nila? Well, totoo naman, actually. Baka need lang talaga i-review. Bakit ko nasabing totoo? Sinign up ko din yung, yung asawa ko. And upon entering her information, within 90 seconds nga, lumabas na, ito yung result. Sabi dito, we're sorry, your application wasn't approved this time. You can submit a new application after 30 days. So, medyo mahigpit yata sila. Ewan ko. Pero yung sa akin right now is still currently under review. And hopefully, cross fingers na ma-approve to para ma-review po natin talaga to ng maayos. Basically, yan lang yung meron eh. However, meron po silang mga FAQ na sa tingin ko makakatulong po sa pag-further understand natin netong app nila. So, katulad na lang po neto, nakalagay po dito, what are the consequences of an overdue payment? A late penalty of 5% of the remaining balance, one-time fee due in the current period. So, 5% yung late penalty fee nila dito. Okay, the remaining balance will be automatically converted into installment. So, auto-convert din siya katulad ni Atome, di ba? Kapag hindi mo na meet yung payment in full during your due date in full, mag-auto-convert siya into an installment. The first installment principal and interest are due in the current period, and the daily interest will be charged on the unpaid amount after the due date. Another, how to apply for an installment. So you can apply for installment for new spending on the statement. The specific periods available are shown in the app's repayment page. So same thing with Atome na mako-convert nyo lang to installment yung mga purchases nyo once na lumabas na yung bill nyo. But pag wala pa yung bill nyo, katulad din ng Atome na floating pa lang, hindi pa natin ko-convert kagad siya into an installment. Next is, what are the repayment methods supported? So, meron silang in-app repayment, and then yung mga supported channels nila ay QRPH, VA repayment through payment center, e-wallets, and bank. So, basically, most of our e-wallets, yun yung tinatanggap nila. And good thing na tumatanggap na rin sila ng QRPH payment. Last na lang is, can the product limit be increased? Yan. So, sabi nila dito, the system evaluates based on card usage. Limit adjustment will be notified via app message. So, nakabase sila sa paggamit natin, kung madalas ba natin gamitin, then i-assess nila. Siguro, hindi siya katulad ni Atome na kahit hindi natin ginagamit is nag-auto-increase. Yeah. What do you think about this, Love It by Junahan? The more the merrier, di ba? Okay, for our question of the day, sa tingin nyo ba maraming mga legit olas natin ang magsusunuran dito? Yung tipong magkakaroon din sila ng 0% buy now, pay later service? Ganun na ba ang trend ngayon? Dahil mas tinatangkilik na ng karamihan ang ganitong loan service? Meron pa bang mga susunod dyan? Let me know sa comment section sa baba for your chance to win 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay EG Boy at EG Boy. Sabi po niya, yes Sir Pat, worth it talaga ang cashback ng Maribank. Gamit ko siya sa iba't ibang bansa. As a seafarer, never nagkaaberya ang card. Shoutout naman Sir Pat. Good to hear po na na-enjoy niyo yung features and benefits ni Maribank, lalo na ang cashback. Kay Sir EG Boy, shoutout po sa inyo, and thank you so much po for watching and supporting my videos. Maraming salamat po. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sabing subscribe para makareceive ka ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!